Let me show you how to create an eye-catching spiral zoom effect in Premiere Pro. Start by selecting your clip in the timeline and opening the Effect Controls panel. Adjust the scale property to 120%. Double-click on the preview screen to reveal the anchor point controls. Position the blue anchor point circle on your desired focal point where the zoom should center. Set your initial rotation value to -5 degrees. Click the stopwatch icons to enable keyframes for both scale and rotation properties. Move forward in your timeline a few seconds. Then increase the scale value to 140% and change the rotation to +5 degrees. Premiere will automatically create smooth animation between these values, producing a dynamic spiral zoom effect.